Ladies and gentlemen, that was a quick look at the Ambience in Port of Trondheim in Norway on November 5th, 2024. I hope you liked this little video. Cruise Critic rates this ship a 4.0. While opinions may differ greatly, I personally enjoyed this ship. I really liked her. There was a few elements to her design that I particularly enjoyed. First of all, the wide boat deck on each side of the ship. I enjoyed the public spaces, the colorfulness, the freshness, the modernity. They still had this little touch of Art Deco in some places. And of course, the high ceilings. They were really making the rooms feel large. The entire layout of the ship worked very well in my head, and surprisingly, once again, the purple color throughout the ship fell in my taste. If Ambassador Cruise Line asked if I would be a guest on one of their ships, and especially the Ambience, I think I would be quick to reply yes.
Please do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and leave me a comment. I would also appreciate it very much if you shared the video with others who could be interested. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome back next time.